Uncle Seabird. Oh, what about and Sharifa? What's your Uncle Seabird there?
You don't know, so I'm gonna work. Them hours there.
Oh, I'm medical look for stills.
Oh. You put something in the fridge?
No, I'm gonna put mine in there.
So,
We just see
who fat one that you drink? You know it's a fat one?
Uncle Seabird. You say me can take whatever I want when I come here. Anytime
You cannot take whatever you want when you come here, big boy.
Alright, my name do big boy. My name Javi. My uncle tell me say I should come look for him so I can take something for drink when I come here.
Big boy, you know, so you're how much now?
That's 16.
Yeah, 60 days, you just come in at people place early morning and just open the fridge and just start drink out of people fridge.
My people place, I'm my uncle place.
You don't have no manners, man. That is disrespectful.
What that disrespectful?
You buy juice put in there?
No, but my uncle buy drinks.
You buy anything put in there?
No, you buy nothing put in there? Me just ask.
Big boy, you do it too out to order though. Big boy! Are you still there start drink the blasted juice and I look for me? When make a dry ice, you know me know 16-year-old I have job and 2 pitney already. Where you not gonna look work?
Where me gonna look work? Me at 16. My uncle tell me say me can't come here and drink something. And you really just making drinks start showing on my face?
Give me the juice.
No. Give me the drinks. Cause my uncle said me can come here whenever I want or get anything for drink.
From now on, not really.
Cause you just straight drinks on my face.
Javi, go on, big boy.
I not even do no one.
The family are different.
You Bert, where you going?
But what you up to?
Yeah, man, where Javi there?
I just talk about Javi, you know, saying left, saying going on here. Yeah, to link you. Yeah.
I mean, I see him, you know, I show me I come and I tap down on one girl there down the road there. So, that's why I probably don't see him. But brother, I mean, I tell you, say, today I admire you. The place just toxic, brother. Toxic. Me don't know what else to do, brother, but Sheriff, I come like say, I saw mad girl, brother. Every minute.
Well, to be honest, me think so, but I know you're Sheriff out and left still, but the fact that you're still there together, still, if you place toxic, you don't have to do something to fix that. Because if it's toxic, you are unhappy and she are unhappy.
Imagine, me and her there. And the last time me and her even do not have no sex, brother. After Valentine's Day. I know we in August.
Well,
If we try to do nothing, she have some form of excuse, brother. And, brother, I just need that.
well, that's your answer, you know. That's why I place toxic. Because if you and she not have sex, the place are toxic. So you have to go do something to get rid of her out of your house. But the only thing, if you and she not have sex, the place are toxic. But the thing about the toxic relationship, if you and him to break up and left, a long time and she a common law wife. So you know how you law go already. Common law wife, almost a wife. So
What do you mean common law wife?
You might get half of what you have.
Yeah, but see, mad, brother, I mean, I work so hard for not what me have, brother, for no man can't take it from me, but no, common law. Common law what? Before somebody get me shot, me mash it, brother. Oh.
Well, ignorance in the law, nah go work, my brother. Me only make you know.
Brother, a construction me I do for over 15 years. And what me accomplish out of construction, me nah make no woman can take that from me. How?
Well, the law is the law. So here we are this, when you grown, just ensure you tell Jarvis have a forward background, because I don't want him to on the road too late. You hear that?
Yeah man. But you're not, so you're not give him one little brother or something, sister, something in that place, making you something.
No, so I'm too old for that, you know. One good enough for me. In him, we can't take care of me. That good enough.
Brother, me I'm 53, and I me get one young pit the other day, the 2-year-old.
Good for you. See that chat bush.
But anyways, when see him, me tell him. Follow
All
come
right.
on.
All right, later.
Yeah. I can't frighten Mr. Boss. Can't frighten Mr. Man. Man,
Uncle Seabird.
Sure, me just see that taxi driver boy almost bunks me. Around the yard, me I come from my papa tell me say up a yard. You gone up a yard, but
Yeah, I'll get somebody there, man.
up there I come from.
Yeah, but this is anti-sheriff.
You see anti-sheriff around there?
Yeah, but you know what say? One little thing up out there door.
What happened?
You know, some I feel like anti-sheriff like me do. Me go in the fridge. Cause you know see you always tell me so when me come my house, me can't just take out anything more.
Yes, because it's my place.
Yeah. Everything you do, you buy everything in the fridge. Me take out one little juice and shag one more sweet. Say, if me put nothing in the fridge, I'll make it juice all dash in my face. Yeah.
Allah ya tell, listen. As me go up, me I go deal with that. Cause you're my favorite nephew and there's no way you're supposed to go up on my yard and go take out little something out
Exactly.
of my fridge.
Exactly.
And for me, she can tell you that.
Yeah, cause I just want a little juice, you know.
Yeah, well, go and go. I'm going to drink some. Buy my water.
This year, you know, uncle.
Yeah, buy my water.
Cause you're my favorite uncle, you know.
I am my favorite nephew. Me I go up on my yard, right?
This year.
This is one and I can't deal with them across his head on my place. I need to talk to you. Me just see Javier pass me out the road a while ago. And me see me tears in her eye. He tell me say, he come up here, he just come get some juice and he wait how you answer him. He say wait how you deal with him.
How me answer him? How me deal with him?
I wasn't here now. But I'm a little nephew. I'm know saying
Alright, I a little nephew and I am your woman and me cannot talk to him. Him go in the fridge. Every time him come here, him head straight to the fridge. And him don't ask for nothing in there. If me have something in there put down for somebody, him just have a fame way. I'm enough to talk to him as your little nephew.
Sure.
That is what you're saying.
Sherifa.
No, I'm tired of this though.
No.
Because the simplest thing me doing here is it cause a problem. Right?
Sherifa. First thing, if Javi come over here and take little juice, you're not supposed to have no problem with it. Because one, when you work your money, you don't like say you buy nothing put in here or nothing like that. You know, and like say you buy put in there. I feel me little money, buy a little something and I'm a little nephew. So if he come here and take little something, nothing supposed to wrong with it.
You see, that is why I don't like having conversations. I don't like arguing with you, you know, because this is the first thing you're ready for say anytime me and out meet. I don't buy anything put in here. Okay, so that means say, as the woman of the house, I must not watch how the things them come in and go out, right? I must not be able to talk to your family them. It's you always give your family them strength over me. Why? Eh?
Me, my family strength over you.
That's what I said.
First thing first. Me not happy for having, you know. Let me tell her that, you know. Because last time me ain't even do nothing, no intimacy. It was on Valentine's Day. I know in August. So what I try to say?
Then you really set up this complain about intimacy and do nothing. Eh? When every time you come to me at the same time you come off. Eh?
You know what? Sherifa, let me tell you this. I'm a big man level.
You know about my soul, man. Nobody my soul, man.
Me about your soul, let me tell you this.
You are talking about you not happy. If you check the levels, I'm me for say me not happy. Eh? How much time you go to road for me? I'm sit down in here and take all of that. Me take everything from you. All of your bullshit. So something wrong if me play the woman of the house one time people come in here and disrespect it? Me not for talk out of my mouth.
So on it. I say you feel like say you want come talk to me now. Me understand say me get one picnic out of a relationship. Me understand say me get one picnic out. But that no mean nothing.
And if you never stand up on your firm and you say give me 10 more solid in this seabird. So what you mean by?
Sheriff, I'm gonna tell you this. Zane, I'm gonna listen to me good. About 4 years now, made. See?
5.5.
Well, it not make no sense about I put 1.5 years on it because it don't make no sense.
No, it makes sense.
Listen to me.
Believe me, it makes sense.
5.5 years made.
And what?
What we accomplish out of 5.5 years?
What do you mean what we accomplish? What you accomplish? You give me a heartbreak. You broke and break my heart. You carry me go, you carry me come. What do you mean what you accomplish?
Sherifa, me work hard for this place. You hear me I tell you? Me work hard for everything when me have in here.
And me work hard to keep you happy. You still tell me say me not happy. Me not make you happy. I'm cold and me this and me that. Eh? Look at that.
Me just think so we need to just break it off. Right, yes, so. Just break it off, just call it a day. You just move, go back up to your people and just call it a day. Because you see, if me not happy, the place not gonna happy, me I tell you. If me not happy, the place not gonna happy, me I tell you. I'm tired. Me tired for every time I come in here. Me can't even touch you. Me can't even rub you down or nothing like that. If me touch you, you start sound like a hooligan, like a World War III. When I come in from work, I'm supposed to can't come and lay down side of my woman and my woman greet me and hug me up and then sitting there. You laugh.
5.5 years. And you go look at me today and tell me, say, you want we left. You want we broke up. You feel like so broke up, girl? If me and you broke up today, Seabird, today, the bed has to be broken in half. The fridge has to be broken in half. The house, the car, everything. What you have has to be broken in half because
you have sense?
5.5 years. That make me your common law wife and me don't chat to you. So if you want less, me not have a problem. You can go on. Because you don't really add nothing to my life. But if you are left, just left me with my half. That's all me I say. Don't talk.
Mrs. say you don't have much sense, you know. Mrs. say you don't have much sense. And you come like a mad, you want me get mad in this. I'm mad, you want me get mad. Eh? You want me lose my temper in here?
Then you not lose it. Just like we're gonna lose half of everything.
You know what? I'm go have a drink and come back, you know, because Mrs. said this now go end well. You hear? This now go pretty. Because if I didn't want to, me just, yo, God no, me kick you down, you know, girl.
Kick that home.
Now you.
You must have feel like I say the black belt me have. I only if you put her on waist. You would have to promise me that, Seabert. Me not ask you.
Don't come out of this place, I say I'm mad girl, you know.
You look like a madman. The only thing I feel if you start name out a rubbish pan. Out of order. 5.5 years know me account. Eh? Come on, fix quick.
You know, I feel like me so hot still, you know. You know, I feel like me so hot. So what is for?
Since as you want left and you want broke up, this signifies my half and that is your half.
You come like you're sick in your head. Take up a rope. You know, me can't deal with this. Oi. No bother with him, man. No bother with him.
Listen, man.
No.
Don't touch me. Lock off the lights when you're ready for your bed.
So.
If you think you're bad, touch me.
Come like say because I'm a film place, you know. You know that though.
Sir, lock off the light and not touch me, no man.
Sir. Oh God, look on the time and nobody no come to me yet. Want to look for money no more, want the money because the kids them school fee have to pay and I not see nobody yet. No sir.
Mother,
Spin a roll. Come now. I see a problem them, you know. Them heavy.
Morning, Mother Gizada. I have a serious problem with I want you. I don't know if you can help me with it. But it's so serious, I just want it urgent. When I want. Look. I live with this woman for about 4.5 years. She say 5.5, but 4.5. You see? And me and this woman there for how long. She don't know how nothing come about in my place, you know. She don't know nothing about my success or how me achieve nothing at all.
And
But
she nagging.
she nag me she nag me go, she nag me come. You see? She don't know nothing, how nothing buy.
And she love your things them.
She use it like a theme.
That black woman there.
Oh, you know, so she black, Mother Gizada.
Black and thick and ugly.
Mother Gizada, it come like a right place me come, Mother Gizada. But as me I say, she see man. Me? Mother Gizada, you frighten me. I tell you, you frighten me. As me I say, me want to get her out of my place. Hold on there. See, as she a call me. Hello, where you call my phone for?
What you mean when me I call you for? Why you would have left the empty bottle? I mean, I try sight. Why you would have left the empty bottle in the fridge? You drink out all the water and put by the empty bottle. Me say me head.
What you mean? It's my fridge. If me feel like someone left empty bottle in my fridge or put garbage in my fridge, I feel my fridge. I'm a place you have to come out. Come out of my place.
No, man. Look like me I work with you. So you see because me I work with you, no worry yourself. I better say come get a surprise. I bet you.
You see, me up on the road. Me up on the road and I call my phone like me there. You not tap give me loving for how much months now? Eh? I'm in place of left. Come on from a blasted phone. Oh.
Alright. Can imagine my day I work all day and the place so hot. Eh? And not even one drip of water this man left in the fridge. Since I me I try for spite. Cause you don't know, so you never hear about me yet, Seabird. You don't know about the petty queen.
So me I tell about Mother Gizada, just get her out of my place for me. I don't know what you can do. Get her out.
You see, the same reason why she not left already? Because she tie you. You didn't know that?
What do you mean tie me, Mother Gizada?
She tie you up in a one little place where you can't live. You want to live and can't live. She have you one way, that's how you can't live good.
Yes.
She give you something where you love to eat because you love your belly too much. So she tie you.
You know some Mother Gizada, I chew your talk. Because me don't know what is what. This that woman and give me no loving, you know. But she's still in my place all long. So me don't know what purpose she really serve. It's like every time I work on money, Mother Gizada, me have to give her it. And then what she do with it? She go buy a wig. And the wig then never fit good pan her head, you know, Mother Gizada. The wig then never fit good pan her head yet. But as me I say, I know that me come about, Mother Gizada. Just get her out of my place, man. Cause me just want a fresh start now in my place. Me need to feel comfortable in my house.
Alright, stop there, so. A coconut up in the veranda with one cutlass, go for you carry come. Cause you need cleansing from all of those things where you go eat.
Look up knife.
Barky. You see these quick stick above your head? Me go pick some gear when I go home, you boil and you drink it. Cause you go belch with this now. But you have 3 more belch to belch, not here, so when I go home.
So if we just drink this?
Yeah. Drink every bit of it. But she want to tie up. Good man like if she want to tie up. Yeah. Yeah. Drink more. Drink it.
Well, Mother, I feel like
Yes, at the right time.
I feel like a relief I come up on me.
Open your hand. So now I give you 21 of them. You can boil them and drink them 3 mornings straight.
just boil it and just drink it same time?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, mother. Alright. So you say, and she'll come out of my place.
She have to. Me not trust me.
I believe in her, man. Because if you tell me she black and me never tell her she black, I believe you. Me can't see you know what you do. You see? So, what we do, just boil this.
Just boil it. One more thing.
You don't look, mother.
Look. You see this? Is a battle. No make you broke, you know. This have to permanently get rid of her.
So you said this good?
It have to good, you know. Place it underneath your bed or close to your bed. No make you see it. Don't make you see it and don't make it broke. If you broke, hey, it'll broke loose. Walk and broke, no make it broke, but it'll go walk.
All right. Thank you. You see, Mother Gizada?
Come back, sir, before you leave. Light 3 triangle, you know, put it underneath the bed.
Mm-hmm.
But no burn down the house. No burn it down.
All right. Now what about it done?
No burn it down.
All right.
What about the pay, sir?
How much you get, Mother?
40,000.
40,000? All right. You see, at first me I come at them a place, yeah. As somebody tell me, it's a little birdie pinch me and tell me, say, you tell me about you. So me did now a little $5,000 and me have a little fear in it, say me.
5 grand.
Yeah, only 5,000. I mean, if you can give me 1,000, I can just pay me fear for go back.
You serious?
Yeah, me just pay me fear for go back up on my yard.
You're gonna walk today. But make sure, say, after everything done, you come back with me 35,000.
All right. Yeah, man, of course, Mother.
If you not come back, you know, you not go work, you know.
If me even grown there right now and she move out, me carry come back on give. Me have in a
If
me
you not come back,
in a me account.
you have me to deal with, you know.
Mother, believe me, I'm a man of my word.
So you owe me 35,000. Remember that.
All right. I'm a man of my word.
Now make you broke and light the candle them.
Yeah. I'm a man of my word. All right, thank you, see?
Thank you more.
Sorry.
Shit. Oh, go feed my pan, come wipe up that in a cayenne and made it, you know.
Slim, you really put salt in that water?
You see me take anything and put anything anywhere? You really left the buckle in the empty buckle in the fridge?
Hello? Anything there? Full power, please, and brush.
Good afternoon, sir. I tell you, don't call me that when I answer the phone to me, no. Because I don't know who is around here and who is it. I notice I don't change my caller ID. Yeah, look how mystery is nice sometimes. What do you mean? Whatever. I have a problem up here, you know. I don't know if you can come and help me out. Not that kind of problem. When you come and see, because I can't bother with this man, you know. Alright, I'll wait in. Okay.
Hello, good day. How are you going? So your husband, like, your money the table.
Let's see, as just roommates. That's just me.
Okay, so can't talk to them things.
Of course. The real problem I'm still come here.
What's something wrong with the fridge?
Something wrong with the fridge. The man locked the fridge. In the fridge. Saying I'm supposed to use the fridge. And
Yeah, so what kind of man this I have? When you lock up a fridge fire, you love that.
you know, the say it's not my man. I pity him better make my daughter something else. Somebody attention him more. But I just want to get him first so we can leave with them.
So you want me cut off with them or what?
This kind of shit me, just get it done.
This a man, I don't know what kind of man this I have. This a man really cut off because this a man, someone that never been known talk. Yes, I have money. What kind of man this I have?
Me never tell us I'm no man. Me never tell us I'm no man. What kind of woman that you have with your eduk so?
No, don't worry about this. This is just a work plot.
Time hot son.
Yeah, man, the time hot with you. So yeah, sweat, I mean, I sweat too. So, everybody we can go in.
When you're done.
No more better.
When you're done that, just make sure somebody can get into that fridge there. And we talk about river.
That makes sense. I can get to that once I bring it outside and can cut it off.
Alright. Now run us some.
Alright.
Sheriff, what kind of style are they? Eh? Me just step out of the house a while ago and I come here a while ago and see her cook some food. And I come back and no food not left for me.
You buy food put down?
What do you mean if you buy?
Did you buy food put down?
So I
No, you're not buying no food. Whatever you left in the fridge for how much months ago, that done a long time, and you never gonna make me dead for hungry in here. So I'm gonna take my money and go buy my food for eat my dinner. What a problem?
What do you mean? So I'm 20 times me did I buy things put in here. Eh? And you are eat out of it. Me there say something about it?
When you there buy things in here, me I eat out tight them that time they were there. Now we left. Now if you want, go cook your own food, sir.
See,
go on, man, I love
this is what me I talk about. This is what me I talk about.
Miami
me need space. Me need to listen to me.
What is that money, man? Hey, go on.
Me don't think me need to eat at my place.
Hey, me bad murder, you know. Go on, you waste the man. Go on, Seabird. Go on, live in peace. See you off of the side there. Eh? I'm not supposed to cook. Remember, you use not my man.
Sheriff. please, me no want to go to jail.
Why?
Hear me I tell you? Me no want to go to jail. So you say before
You
me
make
got...
up your mind. You make up your mind. What is wrong? What is the problem? And you come to me with this argument thing. Every day is our next argument. And you say we left. You say you're no happy. So what is the problem? What is your problem?
I need my place. I need my space. Cause
So if you need space, what that have to do with me? The part half year off and you lock up. See there, you lock up the fridge. A man me have a call for come cut the lock going in the fridge today. You come tell me, oh, you want food? I want me in the door. I want me to stop the fuel. Eh? Wicked man.
you know what? This is the last time I'm going to talk to you.
Talk to me. You're trying to wake me up to my sleep again, sir. Come on now, what kind of life is you live? You feel me careless? You come and tell me about life. I know you come wake me out of bed and tell me about food. Well, look, you want food and go on from right to someone alone me alone. What is it?
Make sure you say belly for everything. Good to hear that.
Everything I feel good.
Other day when you come here, and Javi gone around here, you know when Javi come, Javi has show me say, when he come around and take out one little drinks out of your fridge, and he wear how your woman are gone. You see, that is why I tell us a long time, I'm not too like that woman there for left him long time, you know, brother. Brother, little drinks. Javi did tell me that before, when we left for some when I go. But brother, it come like say a problem, brother. You know what your woman do? Other day, I say something. I'll drink it for one attack. I'll let it empty back in the fridge because me did a hurry. But just put it back in the fridge. I say, I back one minute left to fly it. Left it in the fridge, so when we ready for it, just put it back put in there. You see me? So I left it back in the fridge. You man come call me a cuss. And then pull up buckle of salt and put it back in the fridge. What can I say? Buckle and pies, she pies you still, but you're wrong to drink and put it back in the fridge. I don't think style that, but she also wrong to put salt in the water. She could have pies, you know. Brother, I just need her for left my place, brother. Kinda like say, me and I even want to get. So what kind of step you make to get her out of your house? Brother, me try everything where I could. Me chat to her verbally. I'll try all somebody I'll tell me about this mother woman, Mother Gizada. Mother Gizada? Mother Gizada. Brother, Mother Gizada don't know nothing about what you do. A joke thing she defend. If you look a mumbo jumbo and sit where she go on with and your money she want. So just hear me I tell her say, the best thing you do, I probably try somebody else where know what them I do and get rid of that woman out of your life. Because she don't know good. Brother, I actually even know my youth. Right now, I tell you, say, me stress out my youth. Cause me in a place, brother, I'm not happy none at all, dog. Me try everything. Me not. Yo, do. Just try to make that woman not stress you. Just try to make she not stress you. So, what way you just up go? No, say, I want to girl me up on the road. I want to link. She called me from a win, so she want a little sort out. Why you still around on your flesh? How many old man? Brother, you know, 53 years me depend and 53 years me around on woman for a woman me love. Me and the type of man. Me and them man there. You see me want to make it the world be fruitful and multiply. You see me want to see me little offspring then. Three me gone already in a me little old age. Yo, but hold on. You know the Dr. Jack pill them. Me have a couple pill in the house still me not really use them cause me don't really have no woman right now, but me could carry two come give. Just give two of them man cause I don't know like a catty figure. Alright, turn up right as well, so me soon come. Alright, You have a woman in our yard. You see me? I get some picnic because she Javi there. Him so left here, you know. Time I get bigger now. Bigger now, him so left. Alright, so here we go. See them, I peel them in, but me now give you a whole thing, only I give you 2. So you can take one right now, and by the time you reach a woman yard, you're ready to go.
So just take one.
Yeah, and then you can save one for one next time. Alright, so hang your business, man. Go and hang your business. I'm finna sweep up me yard.
Alright, what's it?
By the time you reach, you be ready. Yeah, man, ready, man.
Alright.
That girl I want man choke him, you know. Shelly,
Who is it?
Seabird, man, come here.
Who is that at the door?
Seabird.
Seabird, what you do in my yard?
I'm ready for you, Shelly. I'm ready.
Ready for who?
Shelly, you tell me see you yesterday, you tell me something calling you.
Seabird, do I look like you're a call girl to you? I know we used to fool around, you know. But I know every time you feel the need, you have to come with my man day in the weekend. Seabird, go in your yard. And what yard did you up yourself, so?
Shelly, the pick one, Dr. Jacob. I'm ready, Shelly, I'm ready for you, Shelly.
Seabird, don't come close, you better fold that thing up. Fold it up and go in your yard.
Shelly, you're gonna do me.
Where you want to get off, woman? See,
No,
you live with a woman around, so. That black girl.
Shelly, that the woman that's only left out of my place, Shelly.
I don't care. Seabird, I said fold that thing up because it's a print out. You know, you fold it up and go in your yard. You hear that?
Shelly,
When you want to come up, my man there. You hear me? My man there. What is wrong with you?
Please, Shelly, I beg you, please.
Seabird, listen to me. Blue bars going to kill you. Take yourself and go in your yard.
Shelly, don't do me like this, man.
I don't know why I'm stand up so long and talk to you. Seabird, go in left from the porch.
Yes, Joe. That's tough. Yo, how are you going, sir?
What we go on?
How are you doing, maybe?
What time did you come home?
No, sir, come Yo! What kind of, where you now? Where are you going in? What kind of style is? Eh?
What kind of style we are talking about?
Oh, you feel, man? I say you want to come disrespect me.
Disrespect who? How may I disrespect you?
So you mean, how come you have money in my place?
For me, bring money in your place. First of all, Miami that catch me now. Miami that catch me now. Because I don't understand, you know, the level of brightness so you the pan right now, you know, you come run with them. You know, say the plumber. You know, say the worker man. When you hire to fix the pipe from out when? Eh? The pipe where you can't fix. And you come and rush the man with machine and rush the man. What you doing now?
Sheriff, I'm not tell you, I'm not tell you, I'm not tell you. I'm not make no man come in my place.
I know you point out that in my face and make you joke me and my ear because you're not going to like it, you know. Remember me, I tell you, you know. Seabird, ease yourself, you know, come in there, you know. I'm going to know how you get that to that level of brightness here, you know. Oh, come remember, say, me, you're not there. Me, you're not there.
So me in there, so what you doing here? Come out of my place.
Then I'm mad after I'm bringing you, I'm mad after bringing them in. Excuse you, man, come and walk on what is?
You better make sure you come out here, because me make sure you go to station and go make a report about this, you know. Because me know I went to chop off piece of your police come feel like you want to lock me up. I walk. Because me know how you feel like you want to come here, man, in my place. So get a man in here. How you come out too? I walk. That me I tell you.
Mommy. What going? You alright? You look nice too, my mother.
Yeah, you alright?
Of course, me alright. Why would I ask if me alright?
Lord have mercy, me there. I wake up a place and say, me I come in your yard, come look for you, you know.
Come look for me?
Yes.
Like how long you come look for me?
How you look so?
What do you mean how I look so, mommy?
Yeah, my daughter, you know.
Me say me alright. You always do them something.
Hold on, I walk, you walk, come.
No, me did bust my take.
You take bus on me there, I wake up a place and I sweat. Look, you laugh. Me say me there, I come look for you. Cause when time anything wrong, you know say me know, you know say your mother know, don't?
God, mommy, I tell you nothing is not wrong.
You sure?
I'm sure.
So me I turn in the bush for?
Mommy, nothing is not wrong.
Wait for your man name again.
Here you know. Seabert.
See what?
Seabert, mommy.
Yeah, name alright?
Yes, mommy.
See what you're saying name?
Mommy, what your problem? Seabert is my name.
You know, so my spirit not take him though. My spirit don't take him. Spirit not take him.
The spirit never take a soul. From me I got high school till now.
Him. For me, spirit not take him none at all. But he named Seabird. Girl, look around here, so. They say me can't wait for the day you left him. But I like him, you know?
Mr. What you have against the man now, mommy?
Me don't like him. Here what name? Seabird.
And what?
Sort of destruction people gonna see. Go wash off, you know.
Mommy, you know, me not like them when I do them things, you know, man.
But you know how for your mother stay. You know, so me, when you come on to certain things, girl, put on your rake, yeah. Don't want it part of me, I will touch it, girl. All type of things people go on, you know. And all type of things Seabird too. But he named Seabird.
But him not control over him name, mommy.
Well, if nobody did name me Seabird, me would have changed my name. Me don't like him. Don't laugh.
Mommy, him name Seabird and him done gone bad already. And I don't take him already. I done your son-in-law.
Me not accept that.
Yeah, I cannot. If you accept it, me accept it.
So you're sure so everything alright with you and him?
Yes, me alright. We just take all vacation and everything good. Everything alright. We are planning to have a baby and, you know.
A baby who?
A baby. Like a baby.
Well, me no want nothing where you call Seabird. Papa call me grandmama. Right there, so me I tell you, right there, so. Nothing where you call Seabird, Papa. Me no want to call me grandmama.
So why you vendetta against the man? What all of this?
My spirit don't take him. Me say my spirit don't.
Yeah, but mommy, I saw your spirit never take nobody. I don't think your spirit even take my father.
Yes, my spirit did take him until he hurt me.
Oh.
Up to the dog a cough. Up to the dog a cough. Hear that?
So I see Bert.
There's something that a sign.
So I see Bert make your dog a cough.
Let me get up. Hear how the dog a go on. He quiet. Hear that? I want the dog a send out warning sound. The dog a want. I fry a pit me by the dog then. And the dog grow with you. I your pet that. As me talk about the man Seabird, hear how the dog a go along. Hear that? See that Jesus have mercy, God.
Mommy, I want a problem. You know your extra door?
Lord, not tell me some dream I go come true. This a flowers I just drop so. My mother always tell me say, give me. When them flowers here drop a sign, anything you dream about come true. We get a vision for you last night, you know.
What kind of vision?
Let me look at it and say bush of ears. Let me see if nobody will hear me. All I animals start make noise. Hear that? Jesus. Hear that? All the goat come. Hear that? Everything a ball for you. I go on with you now and tell me about. Talk to me now. You're my firstborn, you know. We don't want nothing to happen to you. Come get a vision last night. I see like animal them come with their sound and I make pure sound. A sign and this a rose a drop, Lord.
You know me not believe in them vision something there. What kind of vision
you want to call them mother liar?
Me not call it liar, mommy. Me believe
Me
say you
ever
dream.
vision nothing yet and you know go on in a workout. Talk truth. If you
sometimes I just coincidence make them something there. But where you see? Where you see, mommy?
Me see a man a live bad. And me run out of house and me vision see your grandmother come to me, you know. And one balling. And I said, why you must have yourself in that situation there? And now me I talk to you. You always pick up for that man there, you know. You sure say your animal live good? Look here. Me and your mother. And me and your best friend. You want to see me ball?
Me not.
You see anything you might do and you hide it from me. You see when me go down a Nice City. You see when me go down a Nice City. Mine, you know. Me I warn you. Tell me truth. Cause me know say when time I dream I same way so I go. I see all of the animals then come make me even know confirmation. The animal
Me, the man
me
just
understand animal language, you know. Talk to me. And tell me truth. Let me tell you where my dream say.
Him just no want me in him house no more. Him say him want me not happy. So I for go on my ways and him go on film. But mommy, me and him there so long. I cannot just walk away from this. I'm not gonna do it.
And then you tell me see and him not have nothing. That you call not have nothing.
I not feel like burden you with them something there.
Say you never know, say. Look here. You don't never know, say your problem. Friend, you have problem becomes my burden. I tell us I don't like him. I don't like him. Spirit not take him.
The spirit don't take the man there. Spirit not take him.
But all him...
So tell me where him have.
Me, I never woken up until this before, but that man have a baby mother and a baby. We are 2-year-old. So, 2.5 years in a relationship and breed somebody. I'm still going to take it. Him go on with him ways go, him go on with him ways come. I wait for time, tell me for go on. And no man have no way figure.
Tappy.
Mommy, you look at one room can't hold the two of me.
Tappy. Me come off from bed and go down on the floor. But you don't have no... you want to take disadvantage. And you make people take disadvantage with you. Hey, I know some grow you. But now I know me look at one room. Nah, this, I'm look at one room. Nah, that. Since when for me look at one room can't hold you? Eh? Since when?
I stay in that relationship here too long for just walk out with nothing, you know. I don't know how you do it with Papa, you know. But I cannot do it. I work too hard for build this man, you know.
I know people build a house and build all sort of foundation. And I send you to school. If you go build your own foundation, you tell me about you a build man. You're all right, you know. You're all right. I'm sure no say from your born, me never travel go to the country named China. I never travel go down there yet. And you're content about now. You are Bill man. You want to hear me vision say? You ready to hear the vision?
Mm-hmm.
Me say, got my bed last night. And me say me dream see your man. When him? Seabird. Me say me dream see one get you out of the house. And you little girl stubborn and say you nah come out. I shouldn't make you tell me nothing first and I should tell you that I shouldn't. But you see you, me don't know all of a sudden he teach you everything, he teach you how to tell lie. You, I lie to me. But anyway, me say me dream see him.
I do.
I have candle burn. Me see him. I burn up some wall for sitting. And me see him with one little buckle in a me vision. One little buckle. I don't know when I buckle, you know. But one thing me I tell you, be careful. Do not name nothing from him. And you see any overnight food you have, make him one yummy. Don't eat it. I don't trust him. You hear me? I tell you, little girl. You don't see you have no candle there.
No, I'm not seeing a candle or no like that way I describe. But to be honest, you know, all of this supernatural thing, it just, I know this from a longer time.
My mother used to tell me, say young bird, no know storm. But anyway, and one thing me I tell her, start use up your sense them. You know, if you use your eye them alone, use your sense them, how much sense God give you.
What do you mean?
What you mean? What me mean? No, ask me a straightforward question.
Yeah, but me don't know if you mean it literal or in a, you know.
Me ask you a straightforward question, little girl. How many senses God give you?
5.
How much of them you always use?
All of them.
You sure about that? You're not sure about that? You say you look for me. Use up the one you mostly. If you use up the one that's smelling. So you see anything where you smell funny around the place? Check you out. Use your eye them. Let me see if you do. You see when you go on, you see like you hear a dog go on. Or something your dog know about it, you know. So you go sniff and smell any funny thing and search down a place. You can't tell, but you never see him with no candle. At the sense alone, you come like say, you hold on. You want for your friend them when me always see you come here with. You hold on only know if you see, but no smell. And you hardly use your hearing, because anytime I chat to you, you're going like you know hear. You pretend like you know hear, little girl. Well, as you can't blame me. And say me never do nothing for you. Me make sure I say you go to college, me ensure that. And you don't owe one student loan. All of my saving, me ensure. Me send you go to college. And me never send you go to college for you come out if you can't tell me about now you a bill man. Yeah, alright, me have something that put on for you. Me I go for a bring come give you. So you figure out yourself and figure out your life, yeah? Figure out your life. You figure out yourself and your life.